Today's Racer Spotlight features Mario Gonzalez, stepson of Donnie B. This past weekend we were at I-30 for the CP Promotions Texas two-step, racing for 3 10Ks off the top. I sent my 360 camera off a few weeks ago to be worked on, try to clear up that lens for you guys. So all we have is footage from the GoPro. We took a lot of side shots, which is okay for a junior. We probably should have did more shots like this. We also missed a couple rounds, but we did our best, and Mario is gonna be really, really good one day. He's already really good, consistently taking 00 at the finish line. A bunch of times I've heard him take 000. So let's see how he did. Without further ado, here's Mario.
What's up, guys? Just made my first time run here at I-30 Raceway. I had a decent light. I was 19 on the tree. Ran 802 at 80 mile an hour. So yeah, just keep it rolling. What's up, guys? Just finished time trial number 2. I was 004 red. We took 11 pounds out, and I ran a 797 at 81. And we're gonna go in the first round right now, see what we can do. All right, guys, just finished first round. I was 39 to the 1190 car is 46, which was surprising for an 1190 car. And I hit the tree a little late because I don't want to go red against the 1190 car. Go down there, I see a bunch of room, and I just whack it a few times and go 3 above on my 8 flat dial on the next round. What's up, guys? Just one round number 2 against my buddy Cameron Nelson. I was 69 with 55. I gave her one whack before the 330, and I just cut him loose at the end on to round 3. All right, guys, just finished round 3. Raced my buddy Cameron Nelson again. He was double. He has 2 cars. I was 58 to his 20, ripped it a little bit, took 005, and still lost because he treated me. But 58 take 5, round 3, and we'll crack one tomorrow. All right, guys, just finished time trial number 1 on Sunday at I-30. I was 64 on the tree, took some weight out with my junior, and I ran a 786 at 82 mile an hour. Just finished round number 1. I was 38 or 003. The car slowed down on me, and I just go down there and drop because she was ripping a lot. And yeah, I'm gonna buy back and go on round 2. number 2 on Sunday. I raced the runner-up on Saturday night, the 6-year-old Pennington kid, 1190 car. I was 86 to his 77, and I see some room there at the end of the track, and I ribbed a few times, and I made it really tight, and I took 000 at the stripe. Alright guys, round number 3 on Sunday, I raced Ava Self, and we dialed heads up, 794, and in my head I knew it was going to run a 791, 792, so I was holding a little bit, and the GoPro died, so it didn't record, but a little past the 330, I held the throttle, I saw a bunch of room, and I started kicking it a lot, and went 8 above, and she dumped right at the Mount Ira cone, so I took 33 at the stripe. By number 4 on Sunday, I was 36 to Colin Russell's 26. I feel like I hit a pretty good tree, and I see a little bit of room past the 330, so I'll give it 1 whack, 2 whacks. And I go down there, I see he's ripping on me, I see he's taking the stripe, so in my head I also know I'm holding numbers, so I just dump and let him take the stripe, and he was dead 3 on the dial.
That's going to do it for this one. I want to give a big congrats to Donnie B, Mario, and family for parking it in the winner's circle on Sunday for 10K in that beautiful car of his. And that's going to do it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see y'all next time.
Just because we're dumbasses don't mean you can be too. So don't do any of the we do at home.